Another simple way to have a yummy, delicious, and balanced filled dinner is to make this, you know. So I love experimenting with wrap. So today I decided to try something that is different from what I normally have with wrap. Okay. The ingredient that I use is something that we all know, and the recipe is very simple and easy. It doesn't take much time. Within a space of half an hour, your dinner is set. Yes. Welcome to my channel. Please, if you're not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So let's begin on how I make dinner for my family tonight. So I started by cutting my chicken wrap. I use a chicken breast for this. Okay, so I cut it into smaller pieces for easy bite. Then after that, I also got a bowl, an empty bowl, pour in my chicken. Then it's now time for me to marinate. So for me to marinate the chicken, I use just a few ingredients. I use garlic, I use onions, I use salt, and I also added a little chili to it. Then little vegetable oil, stir together and allow it to marinate. Leave it in the freezer or fridge to marinate for just a few hours. Okay, but because I'm making use of it immediately, I didn't just leave it. I didn't put it in the freezer at all. But for you to get that result that you wanted, I advise to put it in the freezer for at least 2 hours. So I fried the chicken. I didn't boil it, I didn't steam it, I fried it immediately. Anytime I'm using a chicken breast, I don't steam it. I fry immediately. I use it. So after frying it, I now chopped it again to smaller pieces because I noticed that it is very big. So I decided to chop it to reduce the size. It's not time for me to add my vegetables. So for veggies, I use the cabbage and carrots. Yes, it's already chopped, so you just take note on how I chop this. So I have my preferred size anyway, depending on what I want to use it for. Okay, so after this, you then add the meat. I added this barbecue sauce to it because I wanted that barbecue taste. Then I also added the mayonnaise to it. Also added this pepper, that's a chili pepper. Um I always have this such feeling, so I love adding enough pepper to my meals. So if you don't like pepper, if you don't like chili, you can skip it. It's just a personal preference. So before adding the mixture to the wrap, I spread the mayonnaise on the wrap. The reason why I did that is that it acts as a glue, to glue the wrap to itself. Just that there's nothing special, okay? But then I don't really know what happened to me while doing this. In fact, I messed up today. Just you will see this video. I don't really know what happened to me, but I decided not to skip it. I was like tempted to edit it and cut it off, but I decided to leave it there. It just happened once in a while. Is life happens to people as it happens to me. Yeah, at the time I didn't even know what I was doing. Like, how on earth am I doing this thing? Yeah, that was when I noticed that my feeling was too big. Aside from that, I supposed to use two wrap for this. Yes, because this wrap is too small. I supposed to buy the bigger one, but because it was an impromptu, this is what I have in the house, and I didn't want to go to the market, to the store to get some. So I decided to make use of what I have. At least it's just for my family. It's just for the dinner. But I still feed myself while doing this. Okay, so please, I will advise you make use of bigger wrap. Then, if you don't want to make use of bigger wrap and you have smaller wrap, then make sure that your filling is not much, so that the wrap will be able to close very well. Okay, and this is what happens to me. That's the messed up. If you listen very well, you will hear someone. My husband was asking me, "Am I still posting this video? Am I going to post it?" And my response was, "No, I'm not posting anything." But later on, I decided I should just post it because life, sometimes, uh, yeah, we are expected to be perfect, but sometimes we make mistakes, and in our mistake, we also learn, and our mistake makes us to be better person. Yeah. I believe that my next video or the next time I will try making this, it might not be 100% perfect, but at least that will be a huge improvement. Yeah. Can you hear that voice singing in the background? That is my daughter. She likes being with me in the kitchen anytime I'm preparing or making meals. And I also noticed that she likes cooking, and that was the reason why I got a kitchen corner for her. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment, share, and invite people to this channel. So this is the end result of what we made for dinner tonight. It looks yummy. All right, thank you for watching my video. See you in my next video. Bye.